I mean, at the end of the day, they say curiosity killed the cat. Allow your creativity to shine bright like a diamond. Picture this. So finally, you just finished working on that piece of content that you are so proud of and really can't wait to get it out to the world. But now there's a problem, and the problem is you're struggling to come up with a captivating headlines that will entice your audiences to read your work, right? So on this video, I'm going to share with you or teach you 5 of my lethal weapons. Well, that's how I call them, but they're essentially strategies that I use to write killer headlines. And please hear me out. I never said clickbait. I said killer headlines that would leave your audiences hypnotized, right? Because you will agree with me that there is no writer in their right mind who would want to put together work that does not get read, essentially. You will agree with me if you write. Am I right?
Yeah, well, you know, that's just like your opinion, man.
So our first weapon in this 𝗣𝗶𝗰𝘁𝘂𝗿𝗲 is going to be the power of precision, right? And this actually speaks about the formulas that have been proven to stand the test of time. And I'm talking about formulas like your how-tos, as you will see from this video that it's titled How to Write a Killer Headlines, to those curiosity-inducing, secret revealed, must watch, those kind of headlines that invokes FOMO. And for those who don't know, FOMO means fear of missing out, right? So these are the kind of formulas that will actually help you craft concise yet impactful headlines, right? So I actually put together a list of 10 of these formulas. If you'd like for me to share this with you so you can use plug and play, you know, you can always adjust them to your liking or to suit your content, just hit me up on my Instagram. It's at 𝗣𝗀𝗀𝗀. So this is what I call the emotional appeal. If you want to connect with people on a deeper level, emotions are the gateway, right? So the trick with this weapon is how do you infuse just the right dose of emotions into your headlines, right? So this can be joy, it can be fear, it can be intrigue, but what you want to do, you actually want to harness the power of emotions to captivate your audiences as well as ignite their curiosity, right? So with emotions, can hardly ever go wrong. The power of persuasion. So with the power of persuasion, you can unlock the secrets of scarcity, social proof, and agency, right? So these are the techniques that you can use to nudge your reader towards taking a desired action. These kind of headlines are used mostly in situations where the survival of the product or the service depends on audiences taking the action you ask them to take, right? So by mastering the power of persuasion, you can arguably turn an ordinary headline into an irresistible call to action. Crafting curiosity and intrigue. So, Buffett, you see, the key to a killer headline actually lies in its power to spark curiosity and intrigue, right? So this is where you want to master the art of writing or crafting rather cliffhangers. You want to ask your audiences thought-provoking questions. You can even take it to an extent where you tease them with an irresistible offer, right? So, but when this is done right, I can promise you without any doubt that you will have your audiences actually craving for more with each and every headline that you write, essentially. I mean, at the end of the day, they say curiosity killed the cat. So with that being said, Rafeti, let's jump into the 5th and last one. testing and refining. So this stage will look different for many marketers depending on which level they're playing at, right? But one of the many ways to do this is through A/B testing. That's how we do it in the game. A/B testing is taking two pieces of content, putting them out to the public and analyzing how they perform. Maybe they could be getting more conversion, more engagement. This will depend on which metric you are tracking. But this is the data that you will use to tweak and optimize your headline for maximum impact, right? So that is actually how you reach your headline writing mastery. And those are my 5 weapons to writing killer headlines. Look, if you found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel, like it, and in the comments section, let me know what is it that you picked up, right? And as you're about to embark on your headline writing journey, I need you to remember that practice makes perfect. Embrace experimentation. Make sure that you learn from your successes as well as your failures. But most importantly, allow your creativity to shine bright like a diamond. My name is 𝗬𝗀, and I can't wait to experience the incredible headlines that you craft. Until the next one, bye!